cuties, welcome to my quarantine kitchen. One thing that I really miss is street food. I miss walking through like the street food Asian markets and then sampling all the yummy eats. So I thought, why not recreate some of our favorite street food items here at home in our own kitchen. Let's go. Yeah. Oh. Haven't been outside in a while, need a stretch. So I remember going to Seoul and then going to Myeongdong night market, which is like this very popular shopping district street area. And one of the street food stall that was there was this like Korean egg bread. They kind of look like little egg coffins and they were just stacked next to each other and they were stacked on top of this oven steamer like concoction. It was so cute and so simple, just egg and bread. So I thought we can definitely recreate that at home and then test different flavors and add different ingredients into it. I'm gonna leave all the recipes that I was inspired by in the description below so you guys can go and check it out. Be sure to hit that like button if you guys want more street food recipes at home and subscribe if you haven't already. Are you new here? Hey, what's up? You're kind of cute. Oh, okay, sorry, back, it's cooking. We're gonna start cooking now. In a whisking bowl, put 1 egg. So we're gonna start with 1 egg.
Nice.
1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. On some recipes, I did see that the vanilla extract was optional or they use a smaller amount, like 1/4 teaspoon. Melted butter, about 1 1/2 tablespoon. My butter was not melted. There it goes. There's my melted butter. Make sure that all of that gets in there. You can also use the butter to then coat your pan. Now we whisk, baby. Okay, we're gonna get a sieve. Sieve. English is not my first language. I have been feeling like my eyes is twitching. I think it's just been in front of the computer too much. Like, anyone experiencing this? Because we're quarantined and just indoors all the time. I'm gonna add in the flour. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of sugar. By the way, you guys, let me show you this real quick. I got these cute little containers from Amazon and they store my flour and my sugar, my cornstarch. It's pretty great. And they're so cute, they're so aesthetics. Whoops, I'm okay. Teaspoon of baking powder. Just want to shake, 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 make sure it's all mixed in there properly. Woo, yeah. Oh yes, get it girl, dance. Twerk it. And now we mix. Yes. There's something so satisfying about mixing, but also kind of scary because sometimes the batter turns out not what you expect and you're just there like, scary. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Want to make sure there's no lumps. Okay, no lumps, looking good. So this is the pan that I got. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description. I like the shape of the rectangular ones because this shape actually looks like the Korean street food egg bread. But I've seen a lot of versions that just use like cupcake or muffin pans. So if you guys just have that, use that. I'm only gonna grease 4 pans. Now we're gonna coat the pan with melted butter. I love coating things. So much fun. Now we're gonna fill in the batter. Oh, yes, I'm only gonna fill it like, that's good, like halfway through. That's good. You want to leave space for the egg on top. Oh, is it gonna make it? Is the last one gonna make it? Now is the fun part where we put the ingredients. Okay, so I have some cheese here. Oh, I'm gonna put cheese into 2 of them. This is mozzarella cheese between. Can never have enough cheese. I'm going to crack egg on top of that. Oh yes! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm also gonna crack egg on the other one. Looking good. I'm gonna top this one with some chopped bacon. This could almost be like a breakfast bread that you can make for your family at home. I've seen different recipes that use like ham as well, and you can just skip the meat if you don't want it. But you know, we out here, I'm trying to gain some calorie during this quarantine. I don't know about you. Okay. Oh, I'm also going to add some parsley. This is new parsley. 50 million years later. I poked it, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm gonna add some parsley on top for that beautiful color. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Everything must be seasoned, so I'm actually gonna add a bit of salt just on top of it. Now, for the other two, I'm gonna flip this over, down. Ooh, Green Giant is looking good, look at that. Sexy AF. When you in quarantine, you lonely. Ow! I'm going to add some corn in here. I love corn, so corn's the best. Add some corn here as well. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of corn. Who cares? Do I love corn because I'm corny? That must be it. Crack the egg on top. Yes. Crack this egg on top. Oh, yeah. Oh no, a shell. Shell. There we go. Make sure, add some salt. And then for these two, I'm gonna add the cheese on top. See if that makes a difference. Oh, that's a lot of cheese. I think you might wanna use like thicker mozzarella cheese, but this is all I'm able to find. And just a sprinkle of parsley for the color. I always feel like with food that's yellow, you just gotta add a little dash of green. Like, it just makes it pop. That's why, like, on everything I love adding scallions. Here it goes. There it goes. Into the oven at 390 or 200 for 15 minutes to 20 minutes, or until they just look like golden brown and delicious. And like they want to enter your mouth. What to do for 15 minutes? Clean up, you dirty. Don't leave your kitchen a mess. Hello, my babies. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's done. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Oh, hot. This is them straight out of the oven. Oh my gosh. Oh, that one looks perfect. Okay, let's cut into them and see what they look like inside. Take it out and oh my gosh. Ooh, it's hot, but look how perfect that is. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Oh my gosh, so easy to take out. Looks so good. And there you go, Korean egg bread. Final product, oh my gosh. That looks so yum yum. All right, let's get into it. Ooh, look at that, you guys. You got the bacon, the egg, the cheese is looking fluffy and slightly crispy on the edge. I mean, oh my goodness. We did it! Oh my gosh, we did it. We did it, y'all. Now, for the taste test to see if it's good. Okay, so I have half of the bread. This one is the one with bacon, cheese, and egg. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's actually so much better than the one I tried because it's like warm and fresh. If you guys make this, definitely add bacon or a little bit more salt because you taste the sweetness from the sugar that was added, like a sweet bread, but the bacon adds that little extra kick that it needs, and the egg is like cooked perfectly in there. I actually left it in there for about 20-21 minutes. I'm gonna try the one with corn. This is it. I feel like a mukbanger. All right, we're gonna rip it open. This is the one with corn and cheese. Let's see inside. Oh, I should have cut it, but check it out. There's like corn, a little bit of egg. That's really good too. The corn adds a crunch, so it's like crunchy and soft, and it's so moist. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi, baby. This is Matilda. I'm fostering her right now. Hi, baby. She has 7 toes. You want to show them your toes? Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Messi Witchin and Pinoy cooking recipe. That's where I got like the measurements and inspiration from. This is so good. Definitely add the corn, definitely add the bacon, and have fun, add whatever else. This is so great. It's so easy to make. Yum, yum, yum. All right, fam, if you guys want more street food at home recipe videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. This was a huge success. I hope you guys make this at home. I'm so excited to make our next thing. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, you guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be giving away one of this said new mini hoodie soon, so you guys can wear it during quarantine. It's gonna look good. Bye.
Meow.
Quarantine fashion. We're gonna put this on top. Why did I do that? I don't know. That's not a toy, that's a tripod. Matilda, say bye-bye. Matilda, tell everyone bye-bye. Okay, well, she's gone.